With 4 decades of customer-driven development, AusFleet helps revolutionize your fleet operations and management. AusFleet is one of the most robust and feature-rich fleet information management solutions available today. Our software supports government, education, non-profits, healthcare, farming, mining, aerospace and commercial fleets across Australia and New Zealand. AusFleet is modular. You only pay for what you need and can deploy it in stages to reduce costs and boost return on investment. This flexible approach ensures AusFleet can serve fleets of all sizes, from small organisations to large multi-department operations. Our modern user-friendly interface gives you control over repairs, maintenance, carpool bookings, incidents, renewals and emissions. AusFleet's mobile app digitises your workshop, job cards, checklists, urgent repairs and manufacturer servicing all in one system. Drivers and mechanics stay connected in real time, reducing mistakes and ensuring safety and compliance are never compromised. AusFleet integrates seamlessly with Technology One, Key Watcher, Geotab, Civica Authority and many more business systems. This ensures your fleet data aligns with your corporate information systems without disruption or duplication. AusFleet's reporting stands out. Get instant visibility over costs, performance, fuel, repairs, incidents, and more. Reports are exportable and customizable, letting users tailor data, formats, and filters to their exact requirements. Our open data architecture lets you connect AusFleet to third-party tools like Power BI for deeper analysis. AusFleet supports single sign-on, SSO, improving login security and reducing password fatigue for your team. Every customer gets an account manager, responsive support, and SLAs tailored to your business and training needs. With over 40 years of experience, AusFleet uses the latest technology to streamline fleet operations and improve efficiency. Gain the insights you need to make smarter decisions and maximize your fleet's performance. AusFleet, where experience meets innovation.